Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the phone for efficient use. Enable Battery Saver and set it to kick in at 20% so background tasks throttle early. Turn off 5G and Wi-Fi scanning when you don't need constant connectivity, because radios drain power fast. Lower screen brightness to about 40% and keep adaptive brightness on, as the display is the largest battery consumer. Once done, make sure location mode is set to battery saving and close unused apps from recent tasks to stop background wake locks. You now dig into app and system controls. Restrict background activity for power-hungry apps and revoke unnecessary permissions so they cannot start services in the background. Switch to dark mode and pick true black wallpapers on AMOLED screens because pixels are off, saving measurable battery. Update apps and Realme UI regularly. Manufacturers push optimizations and bug fixes that reduce wake locks and CPU spikes. Make sure sync schedules are longer and push notifications are limited to essential apps only. This reduces network and CPU usage. You finish by scheduling maintenance. Calibrate the battery monthly with one full charge and discharge cycle to improve reporting and enable sleep mode plus app hibernation to freeze apps overnight. If you still see abnormal drain, reboot into safe mode and observe battery stats. Safe mode disables third-party apps, which helps identify culprits. If a third-party app is the problem, uninstall or restrict it. If system drain continues, contact support. Make sure to note recent app installs and a screenshot of battery usage for faster diagnosis.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.